All right, hello, my fellow investor, Sissy Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the stock market and if it's crashing or not, and what the heck is going on. But before we start the video, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, this week and this week only, if you sign up with Acorns, you're going to get a chance to win a free stock, and that stock is Coca-Cola. And also, I'm going to be doing a $100 gift card giveaway to whatever you'd like. So this is going to be this week and this weekend only. So stay tuned for that. Now, also, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another stock giveaway, and that is Apple. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and you'll be notified when that happens. So let's talk about the market, guys. What's going on? I mean, like I said, we were kind of preparing for this, and we were preparing that the market was going to start coming down. Okay? I mean, there's a lot of people that are telling me on YouTube that they were watching YouTube videos and all that stuff that the market was ready to bounce back up and it was going to go up because YouTubers were telling them that. And I'm like, we were understanding what was going to actually happen. People thought because the new stimulus checks were coming out that the market was just going to go up. And we kind of predicted that it wasn't, because we're just creating inflation. So money has to stabilize, right? They have to reevaluate the stocks and all that good stuff. So we knew it was going to keep coming down. So we kind of predicted it right. Right now, I bought into, like I said, ACIC. It dropped under $10. I got it at $9.87 or something like that. No, $9.80 pre-market. So ACIC came out to before its back price. And that's just a good price that I got it for. I mean, I bought some in Robinhood. I bought some yesterday at $10 in my Fidelity portfolio, but again, I loaded up in Robinhood as well. EXPC, I'm doing it as well, and CCIV, I bought a little bit into it. I didn't get to buy that much because it started going up, but I did that, and those prices are actually at a good price to buy still, because again, the market's been going down, but they've hit their low points. So I mean, those stocks aren't really going to go lower than their crashing point. So I mean, a lot of the stocks I have, I'm buying them at their lowest points. So like I said, we waited for a market to hit down. We saved enough money to load up on stocks right now. And this is what we were hoping for, okay? If you see, the whole market's coming down. I mean, NIO, Tesla, all these EV companies are crashed. All technology companies are crashed as well. They might crash even harder. And the reason I'm saying this is because, like we said, and we predicted this since last year. We said, I mean, if the Biden administration came in, we were going to hit a market crash. Why? Because of all the new policies he's putting in. And again, like I said, I don't like getting political. I'm just speaking facts here, okay? I don't have anything against the Biden administration, and I don't have anything against the Republican administration. Like, I mean, for me, I just see facts. Like I said, the big thing here is we see facts. We don't care what administration is there. We see what the facts are. And the facts showed me that the Biden administration, their new policies were going to kind of screw up the whole market. Why? Because, again, they printed out a bunch of money. They increased the unemployment checks till September. So that means people are going to want to stay unemployed because they're making more money than they were employed. So they're going to stay unemployed. It's not going to, the economy's not going to function as well because people are going to want to stay unemployed. Again, we have 10 million people unemployed. The last administration we had, it dropped down to 7 million, and then this administration brought it back to 10 million. It's because they're giving away free money. Like, they're pooping away free money, And like, that is going to create, I'm going to tell you, it's going to create inflation. People say it's not going to create inflation. It's going to create inflation. It's going to hyperinflate the economy pretty quickly. People are saying that's not going to happen. The Federal Reserve is saying it's not going to happen, but they kind of see it, And people are not dumb. You get me? People that are, hedge fund managers and stuff like that, they're seeing these things, okay? They understand how it's working, so that's why they are dumping the stocks, okay? So that's one thing you have to understand. That for me, like I said, I worked as a hedge fund manager, and when I saw things like this, I'm like, okay, I mean, it's going to come down, you kind of reevaluate everything. People on YouTube think they know, but they don't know anything, okay? I mean, it's like beginners trying to teach beginners, you get me? It's like you have to have experienced people that have actually dealt with the market, that have actually studied it and experienced everything, that, they have the knowledge because we've gone through these things. But there's a lot of new YouTubers and stuff like that, and they're saying, nope, it's going to go up. It's only way it can go up. I mean, these stocks are going to recover. these penny stocks or whatever stocks you think they might recover, they might not recover. That's the thing you have to understand as well. Okay, if a stock crashes, they lose money. If they're losing money and they can't keep their business afloat, they might close the business down. So that's the thing you guys have to understand as well. And if we hit the market crash that's coming down a bit harder, then these businesses could go out of, business. So, I mean, that's the thing that I say you have to be careful. Like I said, we save our money and we're buying at the right times because we're buying into companies that do have potential to actually go up. Okay, and that's the thing you also have to understand. All the stocks I have good potential. They're not meme stocks. I mean, I had GameStop and I had AMC, but I mean, GameStop, I'm kind of loading out of it. I mean, I'm making money with it, So I'm playing still around with it. AMC, I'm still holding it. I mean, I'm going to hold it for a good little chunk because I know its potential. And all the other stocks, CCIV, ACIC, EXPC, I mean, Apple, all these stocks that I have them because I know what they're going to be worth in the future. Okay? And that's what I'm looking at too. So I'm not worrying about whatever's happening right now. The only thing I'm worrying about right now is saving up my money. And then when I see a great opportunity to dump in some money in the market, then I'm going to do it. And I'm going to be doing that in chunks because right now they're at a good price. And like I said, we can thrive in whatever market there is, And like I said, the Biden administration was going to bring this market down. And it's probably going to take a little while to recover. But it can also be good if we approach things a good way. So like I said, I mean, during the last administration, market was just going up. And that's because, it was a bubble, but it was because of the tax policies and stuff like that. So, I mean, the last administration's tax policies were kind of helping bigger corporations, which meant there was more money afloat, which meant there was, just more money in companies more. They were thriving more. They were, having much more than they do now. And what the Biden administration is doing is kind of allowing, like Ford or GM, they're going to start building their businesses now in Mexico, which means people are going to lose their jobs here. If you see one of the plants, car plants closed here in the U.S. in Ohio, and they're moving it to Mexico. So all those people lost their jobs. So now more people are unemployed. And, the last administration kind of stopped them from doing that because they were going to charge tariffs on these companies, so they had to keep their business here. But now that Biden is taking out those policies, because again, he's helping them out, then they're going to take their business to other countries for a cheaper pay. And I mean, it's good kind of for the businesses, but it's bad for the economy here because people are losing their jobs and stuff like that. So like I said, we all predicted this. I mean, if the minimum wage goes up, people are going to get fired. They're going to replace them with machines like they're doing at McDonald's. They're firing cashiers and they're putting kiosks. So that's going to bring the economy a bit more down. The businesses are going to be doing good, but the economy is going to come down. Like for us traders, if you're trading or all that stuff, let's say for every $100 you make, now the Biden administration is going to increase from 15% from capital gains tax to 39%. So if you make $100, instead of $15 being taken away for those every $100, then they're going to take away $39. So that's going to create a craze in the market eventually when those laws pass, which they're going to pass. That's going to screw up the market as well, because those big fund managers, if you're buying into growth stocks, they're not going to be doing those trades anymore. Okay, because they're not going to want to pay, almost 40% of their capital's gains to the government. Okay. And again, same thing with a lot of retail investors. They're not going to want to pay high taxes. So they're going to kind of slow down. I mean, dividend payments are also going to be taken away as well. They're going to try to increase that to about 23%, 24%. So, I mean, this administration is really going to screw us over. I mean, with all these new taxes that they're increasing. I mean, they're saying they're only going to, they were saying that they were only going to increase the taxes for people that make over $400,000. Now he's saying that they're going to increase the taxes for everybody making under $300,000. And it's just this whole show, So, I mean, that's just the thing I kind of wanted you guys to understand. I mean, I know I threw a lot of stuff out there. I mean, I'm driving, so I didn't really have everything planned. I was just kind of ranting here. So, I mean, that's pretty much all I want to talk about. If I offended anybody about, their politics, I'm sorry. I'm not here to offend anyone. I'm just here to throw facts. And the more you understand facts, the more you're going to be successful in the market. Because like I said, we thrive in whatever market we're hidden. Okay, we thrive in a bear market and we thrive in a bull market. Okay, and this is the things that we need to understand. It's not hating about a certain administration. It's just understanding these things so we can actually make money and know what to do. I mean, like we said, we knew we were gonna hit a bear market, so we waited, we saved money, and then we're jumping at the right time right now. So I mean, that's all I want to talk about. If you guys did like the video and found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, guys. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys. I'm not here to make money. I'm not here to do any of that stuff. I'm actually giving back, so don't think I'm here for money or any of that stuff, because I'm not. I don't get monetized on YouTube or any of that stuff. I'm just here to kind of help you guys, because I've been blessed with a lot of money that God's given me and stuff like that. I mean, I've done some good trades, and I got lucky in a few trades and stuff like that where I made a lot of money, and I'm wealthy because of it. And again, the only thing I can do is give back. And I know there's a lot of people saying, hey, pay for my courses and I'll teach you. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to charge you for any courses or any of that stuff. I'm here to share my knowledge with you, because I understand that most people that are trying to make money in the market don't have money, and want to get wealthy themselves. So I'm here to do that, and hopefully you guys get a lot out of it. I'll try to improve my videos little by little. The more time I get, I'll try to get a better camera or whatever. But enough of that. I mean, I ranted too much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. So peace out.